Rule 85. You must not carry more than one pillion passenger who must sit astride the machine on a proper seat. They should face forward with both feet on the footrests. You must not carry a pillion passenger unless your motorcycle is designed to do so. Provisional licence holders must not carry a pillion passenger. Highway Code Rule 86. Daylight riding. Make yourself as visible as possible from the side as well as the front and rear. You could wear a light or brightly coloured helmet and fluorescent clothing or stripes. Dipped headlights, even in good daylight, may also make you more conspicuous. However, be aware that other vehicle drivers may still not have seen you or judged your distance or speed correctly, especially at junctions. Rule 87. Riding in the dark. Wear reflective clothing or stripes to improve your visibility in the dark. These reflect light from the headlamps of other vehicles, making you visible from a long distance. See Rules 113 to 116 for lighting requirements for motorbikes.